all Assam workers.
Umentri ka sarkar pedeng ubadai peja katanat law and justice ukiran Rijiju haga khat pratare uya yong ahaja arpuar ulalej banjungo ekari Ribhoi district ban pe iki kampen roy bat kumjuru ban rung shiki shinong ki thau ki bahab hakane ka district kajingwan jungo jong ung ka long halor ka jingshim ka sarkar pedeng ka Ribhoi district kum kawei ni ki aspirational district na pedeng ki wei par ki district ki badan kumbashi spa khar artali habaro kawei gari India Hakajia lang kabla long ha conference hall jaga DC office nongpo uba MB tongper MCS additional DC ula ai ke jingpatai halor ki kampen roy hakane ka district Hagri ke jelang lai don lang ru Dr Joram Beda IAS secretary planning department jong ka sarkar Meghalaya u Arpit Upadhyaya deputy commissioner u Giri Prasad SP ka Ribhoi district RDH Kharlukhi Deputy Secretary Planning Department Joka Sarkar Jala Uba BJ Kharshandi MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner Bat Kiwei Urijiju Habakran Hakani ka jelang ula batai halor ka jingdan kam ki Aspirational District Hakarihi Brokway
For children, pregnant and
nursing mother.
I had been assigned to just go and assess the ground situation, what is happening in the aspirational district program in Ribhoi district in Meghalaya. I'm very happy. I thank the district authorities, I thank the Meghalaya state government and everyone who have supported and who have contributed in the tremendous improvement of the developmental activities and the status of Ribhoi district. So once again, I am very satisfied with this visit and I thank Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji for coming up with such a wonderful thought to take care of those aspirational districts.